What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm and do not forget to subscribe. So we have reached a point in time where the minting for Bone token has stopped. The remaining 20 million Bone token will be left for Shibarium validators, which we covered this on the channel, but the time has come now. We just got word in that Bone minting update, a transaction to halt the minting will be created approximately at 7:30 p.m. UTC. Furthermore, a 6-hour window for multi-sig approval and a 24-hour time lock will follow. There is no way to time this precisely, so a small amount of over minting is expected. So Shiba Informer replied to that and said, and just like that, no more Bone will be minted except as rewards for Shibarium validators. Take care of your Bone tokens, and congrats to all who staked or provided liquidity on wolfable pairs on shibaswap and this time and got bones. So let me show y'all this real quick so y'all can see this. So basically did like a Bone logo over a race car go-kart driver, and saying, you know, we basically reached the finish line. So this tells us that we have a new token coming to the Shiba Inu ecosystem, which we already talked about it. It's in the white paper, Ryoshi's original white paper, which is Treat token. Treat is to replace Bone token as the reward token for the individuals staking on shibaswap and, you know, I guess these other well, shibaswap so far, but I'm not sure exactly what other uses they'll add to it, but I'm sure they'll tie some more utility into it. But so far we know that Treat token serves the purpose of rewarding individuals for providing liquidity, staking, and whatnot. So good to see, you know, good to have this heads up. Y'all can connect the dots. Let's take a look at the price of Bone right now, see how that is performing. Right now it says it's up 3.14% at $1.84. The fact that it's under $2 still is still a good buying price. Why? Because we know that as Shibarium releases, the price is likely to move out. We already see it forming a nice little flag here, or some may call it a flag, some may call it a pennant, but it is definitely bullish with the potential to possibly break out. Now let's try to see if we could, you know, predict when this breakout is likely to occur. So we're pulling out a few indicators here. We got our Bollinger Bands, of course. We got our RSI, and we got our MACD. Actually, I ended up putting RSI twice. Let's see, MACD. Okay, there we go. So we're on a day chart right now. MACD slightly above this signal line. The blue line is slightly over this orange line. When that happens and it crosses under, that can be a sign for individuals to sell. But with the bullish news that we got coming up, we got to take that into account as well. But let's look at other indicators. We got our RSI at around 65, which we know once it's at the 70 level or higher is considered overbought. So people could likely still kind of push it up. Let's take a look at the candles. We see some let me just double check, because I don't want to give y'all the wrong technical term. Okay, so Dragonfly Doji. I almost said the wrong one, but so we got a Dragonfly Doji, which is signaling that there is some buying pressure, you know, pushing the price up. The buyers are stepping in right now. Sellers tried to push it down. Buyers are showing that they want the price to kind of go up, but we got volume decreasing, which shows that it's likely the price is going to pull back if we don't get more people stepping in. But pay attention to this as well. We are close to trading near this mid Bollinger Band, which acts as a support level, and you can see we had a double bottom forming here, which sometimes pushes the price up to the top. The price is trying to break down to the bottom, but buyers are not letting it go below this point. So sellers can weaken and buyers can take over and push the price upwards. So that could have been the bottom right there for Bone token. But don't be surprised if we see a pullback to around $1.49 if it's a quick flash or something like that. Also, RSI being high, it tells me that it wants to possibly cool off. So, I wouldn't be surprised either if we see that $1.52, but I definitely think we should be staying in this range with the release of Shibarium coming. Also, we got the upper Bollinger Band at around $2.40, so that's likely a range that we could be seeing soon, which is also our recent high as well. So connect the dots there. It's going to get bullish, especially as we get the official announcement that Shibarium is about to be released. People are going to wait till the last minute. People are going to chase green candles. So these might be those green candles coming in. Now, you only get a few indicators or heads up before the movement actually takes off. We seen last night Shiba Inu, or early this morning, was up around almost 9 to 10%. So, something is moving, something has happened. We got less than 21 days until, Shibarium has to basically be released. So connect the dots there as well. I'm excited about the times that we're in. If you're in the markets right now, we're basically getting an extreme discount on the price of cryptos where we were basically last October, November. So even if you're not seeing things take off like you want to, just be patient. Understand this is not an overnight thing. Crypto isn't, you can speculate and try to trade and day trade and things like that, but for the most part, it's a long-term journey, a year, couple years, you got to give these things time to actually play out. So I believe we're in a very good position right now, especially y'all that have been caught up with all the last videos. If you're not caught up with the last 30, 40 videos, go catch that content. What else is more important than learning and improving your investment education? You could go watch movies, TV shows and whatnot, but nothing else is going to pay off or give you a better return like watching this content here. So hit the subscribe button if you haven't, hit the like button, share this content with somebody else. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. Be aware of the scammers in the comment section. Check the links in the description section, and we are out.